Hey YouTube, this is Mario Skeleton, and I'm going to show you how to get a high level Magikarp. So you come on that nice fly, and fly to the fight area. Okay, so we need the National Dex for this. So we go here, up here, you tap this one here, and then it gives you a Super Rod, which I already have. But then you need another Pokemon, or the same Pokemon that will fly, and go to the resort area. So when you get here, you need a Pokemon that needs surf. So you go in this water, and you surf. Yeah. So then you get your Super Rod out. And when you land Pokemon, it should be quite a high level Magikarp. It's always Magikarp. See, it's level 54 Magikarp. So I'm going to send out what GK gets. And yeah, so we'll just have a little battle with the Magikarp. I'll use a King. Use Ray. Magikarp is confused. It's confused. It hurt itself in confusion. Time to use the Zen Headbutt. I got this movement. Yeah, we killed Magikarp, so that's how you get a high level Magikarp. Highest level Magikarp I got level 80, so stay tuned for more Mario Go-To extras of Pokemon Platinum. Thanks for watching.